Hey Xpand family, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence and see ways that we can increase it to get you more clients. Starting with your website here, there are some great call to actions with the click to call and the form submit right here, the first thing that people see. That will really help with your conversion rates. And then having those spread throughout help as well. You guys have a fun looking site here. One thing that I would recommend would be to add more content. Google has what's called crawlers and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all of the content on your site as well as what all these photos are saved as before they are uploaded. And they're looking for keywords. And so a good rule of thumb is to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Minneapolis Remodeling Company. Anything that's being inputted into this Google search bar is what's considered a keyword. And when your future clients are searching for this, the first thing that's populating are some ads. This is definitely something to consider because ads are a great resource to increase business. If we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. You want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile, which I do see that you have, so that is great. The next step would be to have this fully optimized. And you would do that by getting those geotagged photos, consistently adding 5-star reviews, making sure everything is filled out as completely and accurately as possible. You guys have a great about section here. It's good that you guys have that close to the 750 characters there. And then the most time consuming are our citations. What a citation is, it's your business name, your address and phone number exactly as it's listed here and other places. And so Yelp is one example. And you want to have more of those citations than your competitors in those local directories, paired with everything that we mentioned here, so that you are getting your fair share of that 30 to 40% there. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. The remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. This is where your website would be ranking. We just got to the bottom of that first page here. Over 90% of people will stay on the first page, so it is very important to be on the first page here as high up as possible. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for that keyword. If we scroll through here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with White Crane. We're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data, the UR and the DR. This is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 21 and 16. What's making up their ratings here are the 1.54 thousand backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 710 referring domains. And so what a backlink is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. And why is this important here? This is important because this is a key factor in ranking on the first page of Google. And so you want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors, paired with buyer intent keywords on your site so that you are being pushed to the top and being found for what you would want to be found for. White Crane, they have 2.7 thousand keywords on their site, and right now 417 traffic every month. If we go on over to your website here, you have 25 and 5. You guys have 555 backlinks coming from 282 referring domains, 1,300 keywords, and 318 traffic on your site right now. So what you'd want to do is have your UR and DR higher than your competitor. We would do that by adding high quality backlinks and then making sure buyer intent keywords, that apply to you for your services and in the areas that you service are on your site. The reason we want buyer intent is because we want to qualify the people that are landing on your site so that you are getting qualified leads. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. We can go into your competitor's site here and then link those backlinks to your site as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And we would want to do an extensive research on all the keywords. So we can go into your competitors' keywords, see what they have on their site and what they're ranking for. And then also we can do separate research and take it further, because a lot of the time the competitors don't have all the good buyer intent keywords. So just a quick research here. If we type in this here, we get a few things spit back at us. So here 300 people are searching for bathroom remodeling in your area every single month. 150, 150, 70, 70. And so this was just a quick search. We would want to do an extensive search and find all of those keywords and put them on your website. And so just a quick recap here. We would want to have your Google business profile fully optimized so that you are getting your share of that 30 to 40%, as well as making sure that your website is ranking to get your share of that 60 to 70%. So we'd want to add quality content to support those buyer intent keywords and high quality backlinks to your site. And with those two things together, you'd be pushed to the first page of Google and being found for what you'd want to be found for. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that'd be turning into your clients. And I hope that this video was helpful and valuable for you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.